Are you reading the label?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know what it is? Okay. Should we open it and find out maybe what it is? Yes? Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Let's see.
Too bad about the tea party. It's being troubled. What is it? You might need help on that part. Say, help, Dad.
Out there.
There we go.
Let's open it. See.
Oh,
Open.
boy.
Open.
I would like one of those.
Open.
Rita's,
Show her the picture.
Rita's kids gave her one for Christmas. What could it be?
What is it, Woody?
Who needs instructions? We don't need no stinking instructions.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
Here, put this on the table.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
No, let's not open that. Leave going. Look, Daddy's going to show you what's in there.
Okay.
Oh, if we don't break it for you.
Whoa!
Whoa, what is it?
I don't know.
I don't know either. What do we do with it?
Y'all on a hoogie. It's a big people tea set.
What does it do, Woody?
Any ideas what it does?
What do you think?
Do we cook with it, or?
Does it make ice cream?
I think it makes coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee maker?
Hey, Noxie, what is it? Noxie, what is it? What does it do?
That's not no noise.
Oh, it won't make any noise? What do you make with that?
Maybe have more batteries in it.